Hello everyone, this is Amy John and I am one of the instructors who is helping you to finish out the class. I wanted to first thank and introduce Rick Freed, who's a professor that's going to be helping us along the way. As you can see, he made an announcement. Hopefully you had a chance to read that. We appreciate his help for sure. I wanted to make a quick video so everybody understands what is expected for the remainder of the semester. So if you log into the class and then you go into modules, you will see everything that's been posted since we turned the class into an online format. And I just want to emphasize that we're doing the best that we can. I know it's not the same as the class that you had face-to-face, but I did want you to know that Jen Canoyer and myself did pull everything from Tyler's syllabus in order to get you guys what you needed and keep the class similar to what his requirements were. So as you'll see, the week that we're in right now for topic 3 that runs until the 29th of this month, we're working on the figure paintings and portraits. So we have a couple of pages here for things for you to read. Jen also posted a discussion board, and then if you click on this portrait figure painting, you'll see that this is one of the assignments that Tyler had required in his syllabus, and I pulled directly from that. So it's basically a short paper, and where you are going to be picking a specific artist and finding some information about them. Then if you go back into that module, you'll see that I have added the actual painting, the figure painting assignment for that. And that can be found right here. So the third painting that you're going to be working on is the figure painting portrait, or a self-portrait, or a portrait of someone else. Okay, so the directions are right in here, and it's very similar to the other painting that you posted previously that you had been working on in class. We're just now moving and putting this online. So you can see that you have a paper due for this module, as well as an actual figure painting / portrait. Once those are complete, you can move on into topic 4, and this is your personal expression presentation. So if you click on this, you'll see that it is a discussion board. Okay, and this involves you choosing a style of painting to do some research on, and then presenting this to the class through the discussion board. You will do this via a PowerPoint that focuses on a specific genre or movement in painting that's interesting to you. So yes, you are creating a PowerPoint for the final project, and if you read Tyler's original syllabus, he was going to have you use a PowerPoint to present your final work as well. The only difference is now you are going to be putting that PowerPoint up on the discussion board and not presenting it standing in front of the class. That is what is due at the end of the semester, and embedded in that you will see that the directions are where you will also paint something that you take a picture of and then add into your final PowerPoint. Again, you will be asked to comment on 2 class projects and critique the artwork that is found in the body of the PowerPoint. Again, if you read through the directions specifically, you're going to find the information on the artist, the history behind the genre that you've chosen, the importance and significance of that movement, and create your own unique painting that is akin to that genre. And again, this is really up to you. It is something that you choose and you can be creative with. Again, Professor Freed will be in the class to help guide you with also any specific art-related questions and any painting-related questions. I am also available, as is Jen, and we're here to help guide you through the rest of the semester. And again, thank you so much for Professor Freed for agreeing to come in and be our art critique and consultant and to help you and me along the way.